Ire mare o. Ere mare o, oh yo. Hey, my people, each time I hear this music, but I know say the story what they bring for now from the ancient city of Edo State. My people know be small fire they go on. Oh, according to one of my cousins, say one of his cousin where they stay for Ugbowo, say the father, her father, tell them say, Obaseki don dey run 100-meter race every day to prepare himself for the first coming election. My people know be small thing, no. He says Obaseki they prepare for this election. He can't spend 1 billion naira for this corona matter for this season. As he talks, say he spend the 1 billion naira. Now some people shall say, Obaseki, wait happen 1 billion naira. Now the Tory enter Baba Osho here. As Osho hear the matter, Osho say, Obaseki, I go show you say, small body no be sickness. Now Osho begin go the gym. He go the gym. They gather muscle. He say, what sure? Obaseki say, small body no be sickness. Obaseki don't forget the story of the ant and the elephant. How he go spend 1 billion naira for corona matter when some people do the calculation for 1 billion naira to the people waiting for Edo State. They say they share the money for the 6 million people waiting for Edo State. Each one person fee get like 150,000. They say, Obaseki, the money too much. Now everybody begin to shout, 1 billion. Hey, Oba talk, hey. Some people don't reach how he said because the money is too much. This now Pidgin News Network. Now man on the street be this.